Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So just a quick video just to show you how to reset the service light on this VW Tiguan. So this is a Mk1 Tiguan, but this is the pre-facelift version. So, and the reason I mention that is because on the post-facelift versions the procedure is different. There's actually a couple of videos on YouTube showing that anyway, so if you got the post-facelift version, just have a look at one of those videos. But I noticed that there wasn't a video, as far as I could see, showing one of these pre-facelift versions. So I've just recently done a service on this car and I was going to reset the lights, so I thought I'd make a quick video in case it helps any of you. If you're not sure whether you've got the pre or post version, basically look at the color of your instrumentation, the color they light up when you've got the light switched on. As you can see, this one lights up blue. If yours lights up blue, you've got the pre-facelift version like this one. If your instruments light up red, then it means you've got the post-facelift version. So anyway, let's get on with the procedure. So first of all, hold with the ignition, start with the ignition off. Press and hold this 00 button here on the dash, and then at the same time switch your ignition on. Then let go of that and then press the minute button here, and that's it. That's reset now. So I wish I'd show you that it was due, but I forgot to do that. I was going to do that, but anyway, if I just switch the ignition back on now, it says Volkswagen information system, and then it just goes on to this part of the display. Obviously, if it wasn't reset, it would be showing service now. I was actually going to show that so you could see it before and after, but I forgot. Anyway, that's the procedure. I hope you found the video useful. Cheers. Bye-bye.